Welcome back. Hey Ace, what's been happening in SEO and AI this afternoon? We've got major updates on AI's impact on jobs, security risks in AI-generated code, and Google's AI overviews facing scrutiny. New benchmarks indicate that Chinese artificial intelligence models are now achieving 64% of the quality demonstrated by human workers in entry-level office roles. These AI systems are capable of executing a broad spectrum of administrative duties, encompassing everything from document creation to spreadsheet management, all at a considerably reduced expense compared to human counterparts. Although their output quality has not yet reached human levels, the efficiency and cost benefits presented by AI are already influencing numerous organizations to halt or reduce their recruitment of junior staff. Industry observers project that AI's performance will see swift and continuous enhancements, potentially surpassing human capabilities within a few years. Next up, China's employment landscape is undergoing a profound transformation driven by artificial intelligence, resulting in numerous job losses and heightened employee unease. Fei Zhaojun, a software engineer who, along with 160 peers, lost his position in Beijing, represents a growing phenomenon where AI is now capable of handling duties previously necessitating expert human input. This swift integration poses substantial threats to employment, especially within fields like software engineering and digital content creation, and a recent analysis suggests that women are disproportionately vulnerable. Major technology firms in China have already reduced their workforces by thousands, and unemployment among young people continues to be a pressing issue, standing at approximately 3 times the national average. Meanwhile, in the world of AI, a substantial IT challenge is rapidly unfolding due to the widespread adoption of artificial intelligence-generated code, termed wild code, within businesses. This code, despite initially appearing compliant with security protocols, frequently suffers from a lack of clarity and systematic organization, resulting in considerable expenses for ongoing maintenance and elevated security vulnerabilities. A prevalent trend is the acceleration of technology deployment by business units, outpacing the capacity of IT departments to monitor these advancements, with a striking figure revealing that 77% of companies acknowledge that their adoption of AI is progressing faster than their established governance structures can manage. Shifting gears, generative artificial intelligence is fundamentally altering the landscape of search, with Google's new AI Overviews feature currently under examination due to issues with its factual accuracy. This innovative tool, developed to deliver direct responses to user inquiries, has drawn criticism for producing information that is either deceptive or entirely incorrect. These blunders underscore a substantial hurdle in deploying large language models for obtaining information in real time. The incorporation of AI into search platforms like Google is intended to enhance user interaction by furnishing immediate answers instead of presenting a collection of web links, yet the current performance of AI overviews suggests that this technology might not yet possess the necessary maturity for such a vital function. Here is something that just came in. A recent evaluation has uncovered a significant vulnerability in code produced by artificial intelligence. While it often performs as intended, it is frequently susceptible to security breaches. Experts examined 12 widely used AI tools for software development and discovered that none consistently generated code that was free from security risks, a phenomenon referred to as vibe coding. This approach permits large language models to create software with very little human supervision, and its adoption is growing due to its efficiency. This disparity between performance and safety presents considerable dangers, particularly for applications where security is paramount, such as financial platforms. In other news, the advent of agentic artificial intelligence in 2025 has ushered in a transformative period for humanoid robots, according to Digitime's analyst Zhou. He observed that this development is propelling the sector toward a novel 3-part hardware design, conceptualized as a brain, cerebellum, and peripheral nervous system. This progression is expected to fuel a substantial increase in the deployment of these advanced robots, with projections indicating that by 2030, worldwide shipments of humanoid robots could quadruple, underscoring a burgeoning market and accelerated innovation. The incorporation of agentic AI is the catalyst for creating more sophisticated and adaptable robots, poised to reshape various industries in our engagement with artificial intelligence. This next one is worth paying attention to. A wave of opposition is building against material produced by artificial intelligence, with artists and establishment proprietors actively resisting what they dub AI slop. This category of low-grade digital output, quickly manufactured by generative AI, is perceived as lacking artistic merit and posing a danger to the economic viability of human creators. He contends that the general public has an insufficient understanding of how AI-generated visuals diminish the value of designers' expertise. The core of this discussion revolves around whether AI's expansion is an unstoppable force or if people can make conscious choices to resist its widespread adoption. And here is a developing story. Alibaba has achieved a major financial milestone, securing over $10 billion through a stock offering specifically earmarked for artificial intelligence development. This endeavor positions it among the most substantial AI funding rounds in China, as the prominent technology firm offloaded 710 million newly minted shares at a price of 112 Hong Kong dollars and 70 cents per share, generating a total of 80 billion Hong Kong dollars, which translates to roughly US $10.2 billion. This substantial influx of capital is intended to strengthen Alibaba's standing in the fast-paced and dynamic AI sector, with the sale price set at an 8.4% reduction compared to its most recent closing price on the Hong Kong exchange and a 3.6% discount from its shares traded in New York. The capital secured will play a vital role in Alibaba's continued progress and the expansion of its artificial intelligence projects, highlighting the significant worldwide investment flowing into AI technologies. Continuing our update, Geoffrey Hinton, a figurehead in the realm of artificial intelligence, is central to a narrative concerning the creation of a potent technology whose internal mechanisms even its originators cannot completely fathom. This advancement signifies an intersection of human intellect and machine intelligence, both described as enigmatic black boxes, carrying weighty implications for the fabric of society. The work of this prominent AI innovator has resulted in a technology so formidable that its developers concede they lack complete comprehension of its operations. This monumental advancement signifies a crucial convergence of human and artificial intelligence, commonly characterized as two inscrutable black boxes, and the ramifications of this merging are already initiating substantial transformations in our global landscape. Individuals such as Geoffrey Hinton, whose initial goal was to decipher the human brain, have become instrumental in the development of this sophisticated AI, and due to its intricate design, the full scope of this technology's abilities and potential risks are still under investigation. In a fascinating development, a mechanical competitor has set a new benchmark for the 100-meter sprint, outperforming all recorded human athletic achievements. A robot engineered by Beijing-based X-Humanoid achieved the sprint distance in an astounding 9.39 seconds at the World Humanoid Robot Games, eclipsing Usain Bolt's previous record of 9.58 seconds. This was not the sole instance of a human athletic record being challenged, as another robot from the same developer, X-Humanoid, demonstrated exceptional performance in the high jump, clearing a height of 2.88 meters, a mark considerably higher than Javier Sotomayor's record. We'll have the full evening roundup later today.
Stay up to date with news all day. Like us, comment, follow and subscribe. Thank you.